Today we're gonna show you how to mount a mist cooling fan. So as you can see, we have a black 18-inch fan out of the box with a patented center mist hub, and so the hardware is provided with each fan. You got your two washers and two screws for each of the hole on the bracket. So it would basically go in, and then you can mount this directly to any structure that you would want. Only thing you would need is maybe a simple drill bit to drill a pilot hole, and then the ratchet set for each of the screws so that you can tighten the hardware and your fan to the structure. Right, so we've decided to mount the fan at this corner and at the bottom of the beam so that it gives us the best angle to direct the fan at any direction we want. So we're gonna give about 4 to 5 inches from the edge and drill a pilot hole. So if you want to keep it same on both sides, just take a proper measurement so that both of your fans on either end corner of your structure is at an equal distance. And then you will just drill a pilot hole so that it would be easy for your fan to get mounted when you're on top of the ladder later. Okay, so we're just mounting this 18-inch misting fan. We've already drilled the pilot hole. It's a good idea to have one person hold the fan, and then you simply start tightening the bolt. The hardware is provided with the fan, and simply just start tightening it and get it to a proper angle. Okay, so before you guys tighten it up all the way, just angle the fan to the right location. It's not gonna fall anymore. So yes, get it into the right position and get the bracket in the proper position. So that's gonna be pointed towards you. Yes, there you go. So that's gonna be the final position. So now make sure the bracket stays in that position. Now tilt the fan down, bottom, and then we can tighten it up all the way. Okay, and then tilt the fan up to the position that you would want. Yep, that is a good angle right there, and your fan is in position now. All you have to do is unwind the cord. You have a 10-foot cord behind the fan, and simply plug it into the outdoor plug. And there's a pull chain at the bottom of the fan that allows you to adjust the speed of the fan and turn the fan on and off. Okay, so our misting fans are installed. They're ready to go. Our pump is ready. They're plugged in, and we're about to turn them on so you guys can see how they work and how they sound. We do get some questions on how loud the fans are. They're not that loud compared to some of these industrial fans. Our fans are high velocity. They're very powerful, but they don't make that big of a sound where it's not bearable. So here's a pull chain. It is 3-speed. This is low setting. It's turned on. We got a water feature right underneath it. As you can see, that you can still hear the water feature. You can still talk to each other easily. And the fan is still on the low setting. All right, so I'm gonna crank it up to a medium speed. This is a medium speed. And then now I'm going to crank it up on a full speed, which is where a lot of people like to have it, so that it can give you the best results. And this is the highest settings. This is full speed. And I can still talk to someone next to me easily. I can still hear the water feature here. I can still hear the wind chime behind me. And now we're about to turn on the misting pump so that we can activate the mist on top of the fan. And turn on the misting pump. We'll turn this fan on also on full speed. And now we're live. All right, so the pump is on, fans are on, misting is active, and your system is fully live. And from where we're standing, around 20 feet away, I can feel the cool air on me, and my clothes are blowing around in the wind, and I am not getting wet. All I'm getting is a nice cool breeze on me, and there's not a single drop of moisture on the camera lens either, as you can see. We got a misting line on top of the glass doors coming out of the house, and we got 2 misting fans operated by single pump. So you could have a combination system as well, with one pump running multiple things, either fans or lines.